for the 1 o'clock update. Alrighty, I'm getting wet. Winds are really picking up now. Lots of junk in the driveway. The news said that it is making landfall down in Sanibel, and we're starting to get those bands now. See, the water is puddling here. There's a lot more palm fronds and debris in the street here. This wasn't here earlier. Breeze is pretty cold. Well, to me it's cold, but it's starting to pick up now. Gotta keep cleaning the lens off on my camera. As these bands come around, they're kind of in a circle, and it will be kind of calm, then it will really whip up. All the plywood's still in the house, which is good. I think the grass grew a couple inches since yesterday. Yeah, those bands are coming around. They come around every couple minutes and really intensify a lot. Whoa. I have a little wind speed anemometer thing, but I can't find it to see how strong these winds are. But you can probably see it's blowing around pretty good. My wife's garden's still holding up. Must be the superior construction of her husband who built it. Lanai's still standing for now. Whoa, there's a good one. I think my concern is this big live oak tree. This thing's pretty big. And I know it's been around for a few storms, but pretty good size. There, as you can see, a good breeze coming through. Right now the wind seems to be blowing from the east to the west, which is kind of the opposite of what I thought it would be doing. But they kind of go in a circle too, so let's see if we can get another good breeze come up. And you can see how strong it really is once the wind comes through here. I'm just standing in the rain right now. Everything else on the house seems to be holding up. Roof looks good. Plywood's still on the walls. Boat's still holding up. Oh, lost the cover to the water softener. That's what that is. We'll put that back on. Note to self, I guess I could have probably strapped that down, but I didn't realize I would lose it. That fits on there pretty tightly. Oh, there's a little tree frog. Hello. You see them? They're everywhere. I guess they know something's coming. I don't know. Yeah, we're getting good breezes coming through now. It's really picked up in the last 10 or 15 minutes. So I guess as the bands are approaching, it's really gonna increase speed, then also I guess with the frequency, because they're kind of gusting. They'll come through and then slow down and then come through again, but it's going to be sustained, I think, for too long. The wind is going, or the rain rather, is going from the north to the south. It's kind of Forrest Gump rain where it goes sideways. Probably can't see it, but I certainly can. And we still have power for now, which is a blessing. There we go. It's strong winds coming through. And these winds are now changing direction. They're going from the north to the south. So I guess the storm is rotating. I should walk down the street to see if there's anything's blowing out of the dumpsters yet, but I guess I'd be able to see it from here. There's a house under construction next door, and I imagine all that stuff will come blowing out before too long. Here we go. Man, it's pushing. I feel like Jim Cantori, but without the helmet and goggles. Alrighty. Surprisingly, this is a cool breeze coming through. It feels like it's probably about 70 degrees, or that's just my impression of it, but it's always like 95 or 100 down here. Now there's all this cold air coming through. Ooh. Everything's blowing around. Well, that's kind of the 1 o'clock update. The 2 and the 3 o'clock update, I'm probably going to have to be tied to the tree. So everybody stay safe. And I'll get this uploaded as long as the power holds out. We've had a few power surges. It keeps dropping the computer, so I have to try to get it uploaded as fast as I can. Okay, these are now, this wind is changing direction, or the rain. It's going from east to west. So it's definitely going in a circle. And the clouds are going east to west as well. All right. Well, I might head on in. Everything is still maintaining for now. Wind is definitely picking up. I'm guessing these are probably at least 60-mile-an-hour winds if they're pushing me around. All right. Well, let me see. Let me come down here. I think what I might do is upload this in a lower resolution so I can get it uploaded faster, because 4K takes a while and we have power surges and I'm not on a UPS. I'm afraid it'll keep screwing up. So alrighty, well, I want to head on in now, and that's it for now. Everybody stay safe, and I'll see you at the next one. Whew.